The big money is not in the buying or the selling, but in the waiting. Kani ka kot ngawan ra hakum kani ka por, but ngidan ru but iba mirlang Phanbuh, iwei na pedeng ibala ajudan ba ka prime Meghalaya ru. Ban nga kemen ba fiwan hakan kum kani ka kenti baniarap iki kena samla jungi ki ba pule lesia ki school ki college lani university. Kulish pun ba fil apply ka por jong pi.
Kulish pun pi bakres long komenta kumbangan cukren ngi long ngia hikai lang ka juk school ni ju ya kendo man kes ngi padang impat ju por kumni bani Nonghikai kumni bani kren bha kumni
Kadai
most probably mata ngi ni yo lat banya
ya
jemut
kulish pun fi plat por te nakaliang gani ka inga kwa ban kali fi puli ka school pi sedang nei
nga te hapor mga dan sulong nga sedang ngapo step by step untuk ngapo hepo all scene halin ka tu ngali puli sabar ngadan sport Chennai mostly hapo lat lane but hapo St John's
kan usnem pidan stu
nga ngalami nado kisnem 2002 not basically I've nado kumba class 11 12 to class 11 12 I been out I did my schooling there and I graduated nga join for Madras Christian College ngapendap BBA and then I did my MBA from Rajagiri about Cochin and then nga sedang terkambat ka company ba ngayo placements na po college I started in the logistics industry nga try bat ka FedEx and then I moved on to DHL. And then from there, I moved to various MNC companies like Symboh, which was dealing with sea shipping. And then after that, I moved into warehousing, where I got a chance to work with Paytm Mall. Paytm Mall, if you know, kalong kum kitiki online shopping kum mentabanon ka Flipkart The Paytm Mall was initially was basically on grocery side. So we had warehousing where we kept things and all in the warehouse. And I used to handle most of the warehousing pan India kan long time. The katukopon ngadon but Paytm. Then I moved with a company. I think you must be aware of mentaj por gadon kanika delivery.com. Kapapan Poitier transport. I was handling the northeast region for the transportation. And for a short stint of time also ngadon but ka Swiggy ru. Kumha nga one page po long tenga tre ba Swiggy ru ngapnya ka operations jong ka Swiggy. Entire all.
Tamut ani ga jong fi gani ka experience kala white bha kala bon bha.
Yes, in the line of logistics te kala kham yar bha ka jing experience jong kan a little bit of different departments.
Jing don bok kum kini fi ka hapok ka jela jungi badan kum ki khna kum fi. Ki ba nadu ka por pe nadu ki por arajar ar pi ong pi ter pi yo lat ban bat manetre ba ki company ba per te pensyai ru ba mirlang halor kani ka nomor kadi ka program na ta kena tengah syukwa ifi bafin yat ter kum ka road map deh fin ai ka road map itai lenti ka lenti yat ye ki kena kan
kalong kawai ba menta nei dapi kwai ban tip shu shaba sipang anything which is happening nei fin shusha sa apa tang hapo sor shalong ka te bafin yo nei even though with the access to internet bangidon menta pada kalong hi ka Jingpyrkhat jong pi ka pro pandami sabar dia you have to go and explore pin hab let sabar te menta kum kini bapuli bayo lat menta and not only ka Jingpule ka Jingyo lit try kamru bon menta yo kam sabar they should go experience explore and then maybe they can decide bakin one pai ru bakin sangkam la jong ru kila te that's what ngong banyo hi Jingpyrkhat bakam pro kadai hi banmi sabar
kamu don kam benlik kum ong fi experience
is one thing
te menta ka dei le ngin shop ngin poi ki wi mo adina but piken ka jingle ran ka dei ka wi
ngam ong show pi ka jingle ran ngatai ka dei ka jing yo suk chane hi I think mostly ka dei kata hi ba hane pi shong suk you don't have to worry ka jap yo ka yeng jakasa pi don pin dami sabar there's a little of a struggle kani ngam ong ka dei tang yengi mo kibrief sabaru katong ala sa po kerla nai kibrief ster kilong kumju hi in means kidon kani ka union kidon ka AK te for them also kinami sabar ki bai mim not ha kinong kerla tam pa po kerla hi ka kidon hi kilong segment society baka long relax untuk
tu menta shuken menta ya shamu kena ubakwa na class 10 unle kumno ubakwa lit kumenta commerce na ka commerce piken ka nyidi ben ai lupa counseling na duk ko por ni
kat gom Jingpyrkhat jong aru nei ngan sia thu for example, experience jong ahi. Ngam jutip bakadon kan dia course called visual communication, mass media.
Hoi.
What nang anak pulis baru. Itu hadok nganda join college, ngandal I join first year of college, I realized that there was a course called visual communication where people do photography, all that. Kalau kita kan nalajong ru dai ban wat jingmut jingtip minta you have access to everything easily. Te kasuk hate you kena ka counseling pada ka di bendon hi na duk ki class 7 8 nga kumbang pet sebab ngala don cebar am kini ki ba prepare kini ki entrance exam kum jong IIT 6 7 they start
class 7
6 7 kelas dang I've stayed with people ngala sa baki brio am ki dan ki balap kuliah po IIT they tell me about kim ka jingim kena jong ki nai mostly books like they go to school college school ki one pai tuitions. Then evening ki1 ki bam kilik yang tuitions. Kalau kum ta ka style yang ki ba prepare kan bandung IIT kalau hadok kata. I'm not saying that only now though we have so many variety of fields that we can explore into. No?
Te bentamo class 11 commerce. U kena na commerce u yo kilat kilenti.
Kabut menta you can mostly Kibriu Kilik Commerce, basically they have a mindset of doing a business. Not only that, you can be an employee also. You join one of the companies that you work as an in the administration department, or you can join marketing. There's so many. Like commerce itself is very vast. You know.
Pila belum patai kendiat tang kendiat.
So you have
tak bentar.
Okay.
Business studies kendal lajong na accountancy unit entrepreneurship ngin sai poi ka tu entrepreneurship.
Okay. Accountancy. Hila balik CA, you have opportunities to become a CA, and then when you do business studies itself, you'll have different segments like marketing. Then you can get into HR, human resource. Basically, human resource is about staffing. Most of the company considers human resource as a very important department in the organization because it's where you hire people, skilled people. That is also a very vast area. Then, as I told you, operations when, for example, operations ngan batai kumba kile iki the aspects of manufacturing and all, no? All that operational work done. And then you have marketing, you have HR, you have finance. Now you have advertising. You can do your MBA in advertising going ahead. Mostly kidan kini ki scope. For commerce, then you can get into even the art subject after doing commerce.
Ni tarai kan ni ke commerce deh ngasih semua kumba sekiwi kiri kadang kami dan long kibun te kibarung kan ni. Let's say kat kum ka jingsong ka jonga si met ken. Long dah ngapai kum sales mo, kum fi sales manager. Te pun ong kum sales manager ki long door to door hab le hagi.
Yes.
Shani tengah tarai ngatip kadang catch up nem kan ni.
Kibun kibalik house to house, door to door shanir kibun kito. Because generally I started my career with sales.
Firu.
Yeah, I started my career with sales.
Tepatai kendiat halor ka tu kumnok filong sales manager ka role jong sales manager ka lomno.
Bahang sedang pok career jonga when I was with FedEx, I was not only handling operations ka jingnya jong ka kumno kan operations basically now if you look at the logistics part nai kumenta I was in Vellore. I was dealing with leather belts. Snake. From your shoes like bata and everything, red tape and all was all being manufactured in Vellore. Okay, so how samples and how those commercial lot ki move, that was the operational side of it. Connecting them through air, through sea support. That is the operational. But sales was mostly going door to door and meeting these companies and convincing them to take on your service. Like I'm from FedEx, ngadina po FedEx ngarung ngalit chikini companies. I meet the procurement in charge or the person who handles the shipping. Kumta. You go discuss about your company, what are the benefits that you have, right? So similarly, sales is in a day-to-day done by sales. Menta don ki bakren ya phi oba thit lem se kini ke jacket ke galong. You go sales also ka differ from door to door, and there's retail sales also.
Finda pek kumenta kum ka become kum ka subject. Hatu kadan nam dan ka challenging lani ki challenge ki bamat lani ki jing ki bamat kena hakum ki por menta ni ki bon ba ki kilat ki lenti after become lah ni hadin ke become
baik kemudian ngah komentar ukna bala ada 12 commerce.
Toh.
12 commerce. He has streams like he can do any of the art subjects, science subjects too melalui show. Now what he can do is he has two main choices are people either do BCom nakilek BBA. Right? BBA then you go for MBA, right? And then BCom you can still do MBA, right? Even from the art stream you can still do MBA.
art stream ru la bane MBA
Yeah, MBA.
to batai biang mafi MBA kamut napo BCom ru la bane MBA
Oh, napo BCom ru kila le MBA.
to
Because MBA kalau community you have a common entrance exam that you write to get into B schools, good B schools like the one you have here IM.
to batai khendiat se
Te kumenta ba shubu ukna ula de art stream and science ngam da tip than I won't touch about it. Art stream like after your graduation arts and commerce, right? Kila manthok ka ki don ki aptitude test like your math and CAT. CAT is basically for the top business schools. Kum IIM, Xavier's, KK.
kena kya prepare ke hang ni apo ka kat
Ki don ki logical reasoning. Different sets of questions again. Logical reasoning, English, everything is there. It's a mix. So katu ki don ki training centers too, coaching centers. You have in Shillong also that have coaches you on how to prepare for CAT and all. Long days are entrance exam like what you have medical entrance exam. Similarly, you have for MBA also.
to mentak khendiat halor MBA mo business administration kamut you kani kadani you hang ni
So it deals basically with kumakalaong kerteng, Master of Business
Administration.
It deals with mostly business. So there you have different specialization. Long meta filarung MBA then in the first two semesters you learn about everything as a whole, about marketing, kadang ke HR, marketing. Marketing is not about only sales mo. Sales is a part of marketing. Marketing kalong nadu what product to be produced. You know, menchua kisi no, pi produce ya hadin pisade. But now the world has changed so much that pitip sya ke bagi ko akibreo hadin pipen mi product. Kalau along hadu kata, we have moved on so much kan. Menchua it was about production, then mass production. Manu bala produce in a large quantity, he gets larger share of the market. But now it has changed. Like now it's basically catering to the taste, the customers' need. Kata. Then marketing deals with that. Right from the inception, long way product been produced, katnong in produced, unya ni am kata location, okay, key advertising, everything falls under marketing. Marketing is very vast. Mo, the HR, as I told you earlier, ngakumbang ang ipi, kadishpang, recruitment, and finding out talents, nurturing talent, okay. Operations pada kumbang bakajing penyat kam, kumno how the functioning happens, right? And then marketing, HR, finance. Finance deals mostly with accounting.
Tetok nginya poi sakawi ka bentapat entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Ka Jingpyrkhat sengjam. Ting you bentali kibun ki khna li kumbong fi mane experience exposure ngim de ban up show bangin ong man kapor ngin up ka sarkar. Kin se poi ru ba ka beli ka sarkar li ka lai le ki benta ki berap bun ba kam tam ka ni ka government ka benta kin te ngai ngala ban kali fi entrepreneurship ka jingmut jong entrepreneurship ka dai ayu bat ki khana ki bakwa le entrepreneurship pat la ka jong kin le kumno.
See, theoretically, when you talk about entrepreneurship, it's about identifying a problem.
Identifying a problem.
And coming with a solution for that problem.
Tamut ki khana ki aplong creative.
Yes, in some sort. But when you're doing business, you have long creative. Because you're faced with business is not easy to do. Entrepreneurship, it's struggling. It's a struggle, nightmare. Nanti kan, kamdi ka basuk, bapin ong bansang kam lajong.
Bapin ong vi, ngakwa pensyai bahai ki kena samla ki barang mi, ki barang trang ben sengki kam. Dia si kim pat dan te katu ka ben sim jong ki ka ban ong ba. Kin tieng te ban ong. Oh gin ti satu tip gela namla kan long pi bala dan hakani kam slam pin.
Kumban ong menta bantieng ke mesti bantieng. If you don't do it now, kumban menta lihat lano. You have to. Failure can done bad. No, but failure leads to success. I won't say failure, it's stepping stones. Learning experience kan kita ikut. Mesti kajing fail. Long komentar pila sengkam.
Toh.
Cuba pi play idukan berit bariar. Kam dayak bah. Te menta bakam yak bah piap analyze kan. Balik kam yak bah. That should be a learning. Not ba ong bakam yak bah ngin khang no. Pi pej bah balik kam yak kedukan. Because maybe ke location kam biang, maybe ke ke PD kam ya hap ki beri ki bakwat hiet. Na, that can be the problem also. Katakan. Ti analyzing katu kan hap one hinapi. Hap long street smart dia tu when the business kan.
Chalak.
Hap chalak.
Ti mentau kena la ni manu-manu ki bomdan ki formal learning. La ni ki patlik school la ni ki patlik ki kwa sengkam. Pila ban ai ma pi ki ABC kumno bakin le.
Benta ki business ki bayat chane ro am ki bon. That if you pindah check ki background ki dan kita ki bon ki business belong success dan ki beri bala ada kata ke MBA ne ke no you know they learn on the job te they learn it through experience. That's why they komentar kum pi bapi ong pi kum no ban set kum no ban sang kam am. First thing very most important thing dai nganong pi pej ke interest pi don am atau kam.
Pej ke interest pi don am la manta tu ka kam te.
Pi long komentar tang ba long komentar ngi si lien pha am ban bot ya ke balik ki brio. To kam da don ke interest hina la di ong cubu wat ngaru am cubu la sai ngakwa play restaurant. Ong bro ki au play cafe ngaru ngan play cafe. To. Set ngam nang ngam tip. Mo ngin bu chef ngin pej. La sai cubu menta ka restaurant jong pi ka dabu chef ya dom bat pi umi non tu pine no. Kata the freedom interest he fin share. You can take it over. And perkat ba kani ka kam ba fin tray cerita jing im. Long kom ta kan. Long this is what you're going to do for the rest of your life. So make it something that you would be okay doing it for the rest of your life. Fi sutu am ke ibang kwa nong ba film long kan ba ang atray kani kam kwa just for the money sake em to. Kapisahkan wan kumenta. Kung pindah tray hi dalong dedicated hi kapisahkan wan hi. It comes with the hard work that you do. It'll pay off. But the interest ka nadu napo mensim ba fi ko ale kan ikam piap.
Na thai ki bapet kam ya ki samla mo bapet ki di ban ngap hai ba merlangi ong ba kanwan ka pisa ka don kam tang ke ka jingminot ka jung pi. Hard work is required, the success will follow. Te to ni ya mo shkmat prime Meghalaya. To fifila dan dei.
Yes, I've incubated Prime Meghalaya. Nga try ke Prime Meghalaya kalong it's a very good opportunity for anyone ki bampat sedang eru. No, they give you funding, help. Not only on funding, but they teach you from ki hikai ro kumno ban le, ki kumno ban expand ki business. I think that ki bon hagi entrepreneurs ki bala sedang business and they have evolved because of the support and guidance from Prime. It's not long. For example, let me say, Fipin Mi Slasha, right? Fipin Mi Slasha. Te utu wapin Mi Slasha long market access udan numdan. He might have limited market access, but through Prime he gets exposure. Through Prime he learns about branding. Simple thing. He learns about bookkeeping. Kita ngidon kum ki khot ki training programs bangidon. It's not coming to my mind ki don kini ki wan rak ki expert na po industry.
Okay, wan rak na
shabar. Once you in the cohort ki long kini ki you're incubated with them, then they give these trainings ki wan kini expert. Ki mentors na bar kan ki badon but IMC, as you know, IMC is one of the top B schools. Ki wan kini ki brio na to. They bring industry expert from taxation. They give us lecture on taxation and all that. You know, you get to learn a lot from them.
Kani ka jingle jum CM filai kalong ki ka ba kabanga ngala ban ong bitanat pa. Te hatu nomor fi kam tip bahas pangkaniru filai kendu hi dangshen nga thrai nga filai shongru halor ka tuka entrepreneurship program ka ba UCM ule hapo laka jong kani ka yeng te po residence ju penshai halor ka tu se khandia
Katu kalong kum one of the meet ba ki khot ki achievers of the month ki one ra ki entrepreneurs keleng na po entire maghalya bro ko wai. The best thing ka session to nai kalong ka one on one interaction kan but
Ya kan do iwi.
you can do and you could speak to him. He basically focus ki kai jing kumno ba ula ban improve so ikini. Kai ko bola le menta with prime. You know. He dan ka session of CM Elevate where you had interactions with him. So most of people were telling about their issues, problems, kumno one solve, and he was replying on a one-on-one basis to interaction. But kung manapit nga kung kani kajingwan jong ka prime AI, kalay harap hati. There's so many entrepreneurs bayo jing mento na kani. Hindi nagibarit baryaru kan kibala don lupa who already have a business to expand it, to take it on a larger scale.
What are your strengths?
My strengths?
Kwa
Basically, I would say I'm good with interacting with people in that sense, because business needs that. How to build up conversations, talk about things.
Networking don't come.
Yes, networking is very important in business. Very, very important. My entire business is based on networking though.
Networking.
Yes.
Teman tahu kena jungi kumbang mana aku. Amat basen sedang ni keren ru halor katu baong ba kajing sngol le ran kan mo. Teman ta bangin pen kumdongin mi na kitu kijing pen le ran damar kumbaong menlek business ngap ya kenduk beriu. Menlek business ngap bi thu ngap ya mi te bania keren. Ti kumbaong fi mentan interaction with people. Exposure, networking. Pen ong sik hendiat halor katu kan mar katu di ke strength jong fi.
Exposure te kahbuan na dia mo. I mean, you have to be willing to ban mi khmat ban ya keren bria ban ya kendo ban long curiosity kadon de ban don ka curiosity kan boong kajing ku atip balik kan ni kalong kumni balik kalong kumtai ti ka tu tang da pikili jing klihi ken pentip ka wei
na du na school pikhen kan ni na du na school hi la ban train ni.
Yes, I think nothing na du na school hi everything comes right from schooling. But it's not that the film nang apa school, film improve, film pisa kumjo. Because I basically in schooling was not one of those students balong shakmat ne kumdom to. Later on, I got exposure when I went outside, and basically my connectivity increased for mga poi college, because environment college kalong kumta. I met so many people from different places. But hakato ko por pa de pidal long willing ban interact kan. Long menta pen chong no kandong la jong na pen kle tang gibril la jong te la janja
tu ngai nga kwa fi fen patai ba na mar beli ba ni setelah ben dan be tang padeng jungi te na mar kumata nga ngai thu bai fi di u khasi ni penar ngi so para mangi tinggi de ban ni kle lang khang ba gitu ri ki kham tip ban yang ngiru gitu kin tip nangi bangi ngin tip na ki kala long ye job lang te din de nga so nga win-win te it's a win-win situation from both ends.
Yes.
Weak points.
Decision making, I think I'm pretty slow at it. I work sometimes even though ngala don kan ni snam bo sometimes it becomes critical thinking is very important in business, but then at certain times I'm unable to think critically. Long the soft-heartedness ni la poi ni ai briu la jong ne kumno to kam to yesha. It's okay, it'll work out. Business pada phihap long shrut hi India.
Hap long
shrut.
Ko tu mong poi biang mane kham long shalak. Kham pet te namar long
hap ne.
Long jai than la ban loss.
Ka loss ba. To experience kan.
Cila tu ba feeling.
To experience he the phihap long shrut phihap ne Indian.
Ngakwa pin I message yaki kena samla ki bapit ya ka program manta tengi kwa hi bentip kumnu kila ben kendu ipiru yaki kwa company hadin ka program da kalakut ka program let's say ki kwa ben kendu ipi hai kin wan kendu nomor pila kam dan experience halor ki kam ki jam ka puli puthi nomor firu pi kai te kumunu hikai ru comment ba pila ban batai kini kana kata ka advice, a strong advice to the young students watching this show.
Kum ba pet nga man tanay kadai kawai ba ngai i lagi kena jong ini. Kalong ba there's ni long shop tiang te pan mi shaba kata ko wei forget about that manta wat le ran chu mo wat le lan ye chu ka playing field ka lalong equivalent lalong equal manta u bri na hi ka jingyo jing nang jong u ka lalong as equivalent ka jong pi because of the internet you don't access e baro right te ka wei de ka long ba ngidang perkhat yala dia bang ngidang don chadian te ngidang don chadian palat we have to kita gila mi sakman that is one thing which is holding us back also and then what else mental kena gila kam chalak pi da kwa hinala di I feel di kwa hinala di gila baik pan push from inside has to come push nala di kata ko message jong ha yaki kan and there's nothing stopping them the willingness has to come from inside kay ba ko ale lebet pada tangkawai pidi mandon interest ke iba fi ko ale mo umdai man cukut steng samoi kan da fi pursuit menta fi ko lekai fully dedicated into sports be dedicated sport fi ko puli fi ko ale kata lain dedicate yourself into that line balai da fla don umdai man kut steng samoi ke that is my only message to them
te kulai shi bun ba mirlang kulai shi bun hap ong biang nomor beli ba pila ai ki Symboh ba scam kitu ki Symboh ki bale si wat kumangaru ngara lang nakaliang kani ka team jong DDK Meghalaya ti kan wanra ru ya ki khna shakawe ka level it'll bring the students to another new level of how they can improve their lives and become better. So signing out with my team DDK Meghalaya from Oasis Guest House once again, thank you.